what happens. Maureen leaves her kids. That is awesome.
He had to go. Now we need to help Christy.
You see your dad over there?
Christy, go help him.
No. You want his white shirt?
I need somebody to take me across.
Hey, Amy. What? I see Taylor and Grandpa. And they're looking for arrowheads.
Yep.
You like Grandpa's arrowheads?
That was the entertainment of the weekend.